Hey, drop the gun, dude! Hey, Phoenix Police, drop the gun! Drop the gun! 92 X-ray, hold the air. He's got a gun. More units. Drop the gun! Hey, drop the gun, man, please! Please drop the gun!
That gun, man!
Please drop it! Please drop the gun, dude, please! Drop the gun, man, please, please do not make me shoot you!
Dude, I swear to God, drop
please
the
do not
gun.
make me shoot you! Don't, please, man, drop it! Drop it, dude! Dude, I gotta shoot him, bro! Drop it, dude!
Shoot him, God damn it!
902 X-ray 998.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Drop it! Drop it! Drop the gun, dude! Come on, don't make me shoot you again! Drop it!
Hey, stun bag!
Go.
Drop the gun! Stun bag!
Still got it!
Drop the gun! Drop it! Drop the gun!
You still got that gun in his hand?
Yeah, you got it!
Drop the gun!
Already next to the intersection shut down. My vehicles around 23rd Street.
You still got that gun in his hand?
He still got it!
Drop the gun!
Move away from the gun!
Start crawling away from it!
Hey, dude, crawl away from the gun, man.
Copy that. We're going to initiate the dog deployment now.
Copy, initiating dog deployment.
King. The dog is latched on. He's displaced the male to the right a little bit. We don't see any other weapons. I'm going to have a move team from the north move up.
Alright, go ahead and move.
Good.